Yeah, traders, how are you today? For me, I'm fine, just home chilling and relaxing. Yeah, I wanted to, I want to actually inform you about today. How some people, I hope it goes away. Yeah, uh, what I was saying is that just I wanted to actually inform you that today I attended a Forex conference. Is it a Forex seminar? First time. Yeah, I'd never attended any seminar before, but today is my first time. After here, I need to go and shower. I'm really so dirty. My face are dusty, and I need to also cut some beards of mine and just look neat. Yeah, and also find out treat my pimple here. I'm exhausted. See, even my eyes can tell. Yeah, I attended the seminar. It was for free, and I was informed by a friend. So I had to go and see what was going on there. Yeah, it wasn't bad. It was just fine. And what you will see in this video is exactly what I recorded. Yeah, and that is it. So let us go in a video and then we see all the way from the beginning to the end what has been going on in that seminar.
Background, we brought the pioneer.
I'm here. Yeah, man. So far, how God has your friends being in the process? Is it correct?
Is it 9 months, guys?
No. There's someone who said, Mama, give me the right answer. They're 10 months.
They're 10.
Yeah, he's saying 9 months. So the two, I also someone wants to do something. So, our ability, you're most welcome.
You're most welcome very soon.
Wow.
In the world.
Land Forex markets center in the world. So, Wall Street.
Not really. That's not the answer. Can we get anyone else?
I can guess. Listen. No, I'm sorry. Yeah.
It's in London. Yeah, that's the answer. That's good, guys. Is it a lady?
Yeah, she's a lady.
I never accepted her without.
You promise.
I think I can give out something. Small, not a lot. Hatuwezi kuamka hivi kwa mao. Wanapata kunukumia kumara. Listen.
In 2 days, you'll end up selling your Jibanja and you go back to the village. Meanwhile, I once went back to the village because I've been trading for now 3 years. And the first year, it was tough. I've been trading for 3 years. And I think that some people have been trading for 5 years. Can I see them? 5 years. Not 5 years. 5 years. 5 years. 6 years. 7 years. 8. 4 years. We don't pay now those 4 years. Okay, 1 year. Well, so despite all what happened, but later on, everything turned upside down and again. Now, a lot of you guys, you think I've been years, I've told you that already. And actually, in January, it wasn't too much interested in teaching. I was with my colleague. No, we're just discussing regular. They said that we start an office so that they can keep comfortable in the office as well as chatting with other members. Then I posted a video on TikTok. So the engagement was high in Feb. Was like, why not? I started posting threads and I told them, Yakula Nagabata. Then I said, Nze Yamusumisa. They are Nena Mugamba, you go back to the village because of the mistakes he was doing. He learned the strategy. Now, there's an interesting story about that guy. One day, we had a simple trip in Ginger, and we went with him. I was with Genesis. Everyone, some of people went with them. So we took a trade on USD. Same guy in the morning. Then by no period, let us buy USD. We bought. Kati, what to buy any mulawanga, Tagenda. In fact, you have seen me. Can this man say? You know what I'm saying. Remember, he said. So to Yamako. Oh, Mugamba, I say. So, this is a disclaimer. You have seen me growing small accounts. They are late, but I don't guarantee trading without the trade. Unless you have the capital that I do have. So, if I have flipped 100. 350. Recently it was $7. Nenga, you have $7. In your life, you have $7 as your capital. And you want to trade like me. So what I can encourage you is to always apply a proper risk management. So, me flipping a $300 account, it doesn't mean that it's the only money that I have. See, you can deposit $10,000. You can even deposit $5,000 or $20,000. But why did I decide to grow small account? Because I've seen a lot of traders growing or trading big accounts. You understand? You find a trader, we know them very well. And posting a million but then so the reason that's why I decided to grow small account so that even if you have a small account, you can do what? You can make it. But you can only trade when you have what? When you have capital. You can only take if you do what? If you do what?
Have the skill.
If you have a skill. You understand? And I've ever been on some lives, YouTube live, with someone in Kuala you buy a signal from a certain trader, having $500 capital. The government buy, you also buy. Only one candlestick, Abulaga profits. I need $10,000. Let's close. Okay, $1 B. Nimedola pili akala bad process. Because I've seen them flexing and you think that you can do what? You can learn. You understand? So, as that, have you seen any indicator there? Any trend line? Am I not trading? Simple and straightforward. Now, the market gave us another setup. It depends on the size of the zone. It's asking for you that should you count the pips when you're putting the stop loss? The answer is yes. But then it depends on the size of the zone. Are you together? Because sometimes you can say that your zone is only 30 pips. So if I say that it's a must, it must be 30 pips. But sometimes you can find the zone, I mean this one here. Sometimes you can zone here 30 pips. And sometimes you can also zone here 20 pips. Sometimes you can zone here 100 pips. But you can measure the pips from here. From here up here. You can put only 10 pips. Think that if the zone was of 30 pips, you have 40 pips. If the zone was of 20 pips, you have plus 10, that is 30 pips. One again. Or you don't even know how to calculate pips. Do you know? Okay. The market gave us another setup. Same as the first setup here. It gave us another setup. Who can come and identify for us the second setup? I told us so cool on that. All is student. No, all is student. Anayinza okujja n'atu. Okay, you come. Come and show us. The second setup here. You explain. Give you a mic.
Yes, traders have been here.
I've been telling you.
Attending the seminar. Yes, guys, I've been here attending the Super Trades conference here, and things really went good, and it was just quite an easy strategy to learn, and I've learned something out of this conference, and yeah, I believe that all will work well. So, let me hope that you are fine. Yes, hello traders, how are you? Let me hope that you are fine. When I'm here, I stopped working, I parked my bike, and I attended a certain conference here for Super Trades, and I was informed by a friend. I didn't know that there was a conference going on, but one of my friend was following, I think, and then he informed me to go and attend, and I came and attended, and yeah, it was fun. So I'll show you what has been going on. I'll give you the videos of what has been going on in the conference room, and actually I learned some few things. Yeah, just it was such a simple strategy. That actually the strategy is a drop, base, drop. Yeah, then you mark the base, okay, and then the price will come to the base and you take your entry. Yeah, after spotting indecision candlesticks at the base, that's where you can mark from. Yeah, but otherwise I'll see you in the video. Remember to subscribe, like and share.